Okay, Mr. Foster, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, what's happening is this. She's out and she's partying, she's having fun, she's doing all this stuff like all on social media. She's a social media influencer. I met her because I'm one of her super fans.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is
And
cute.
how it happened was that since I'm a super fan, I'm kind of following her around, see what she's doing. But she actually called for me to cater to one of her areas, which is how we actually hooked up from there, because I'm a chef.
Okay.
We have one child together, and she's not really doing the things that she's supposed to do as a mother.
It started with a double tap and a dream. A superfan turned personal chef now standing in court pleading for responsibility. He says she's traded diapers for DMs, parenthood for parties. But is she really just chasing clout? Or is there more to this story? One child, two lives, and a courtroom ready to decide what's next. But just when you think you've got it figured out, wait till you
I brought her here today just to let's say, hey, you gotta step up your game. You gotta do something, help out this child, because I can't be the only supporter if you're here supposed to do something as well. I mean, I can do it, but I do need a little bit more income for that.
Okay. I'm a little bit more interested in the background. You know, how you became a super fan and you hooked up.
Well, I'm a follower.
I mean, I don't need all the details.
He's not asking for much, just a little help to raise their child, Medicaid bills, emotional presence, a partner in parenthood. But when love starts on social media, does it have what it takes to survive in the real world? And as the judge digs deeper into their bizarre influencer meets caterer origin story, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just a custody hearing. It's the unraveling of an online fantasy. And her side of the story, it's coming next.
Does all this stuff, and I know she's a big influencer, and she pretty much puts everything out there. She's really, when it comes to making it to a live stream, she can do that. She has that. But so that's what I did. I actually reached out to her in that way, and that's how I got more of my influence out there, so I can actually start catering and partying to all these parties.
I'm pretty sure you can find it a lot cheaper. Maybe one of your followers is a health insurance agent or something, and they can get you something cheaper, okay? So based on that, 1,000.
He built his catering brand by riding the wave of her fame, but now he's demanding more than just exposure. He wants accountability as their influencer love story starts to crumble under legal scrutiny. One question lingers. Did he follow her out of admiration or ambition? And when she takes the stand next, get ready because...
All right, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
No.
Okay. Ma'am, welcome. I'm honored. Social media influencer?
It's crazy.
Yeah, it is, but what does that have to do with you being a mom?
I'm out there trying to make money and trying to support my child. I do send him money. I'm just trying to grow my business.
How much money do you send him?
It just depends on what's going on during the week, you know, what I have and what my income is.
He's not asking for much, just a little help to raise their child, Medicaid bills, emotional presence, a partner in parenthood. But when love starts on social media, does it have what it takes to survive in the real world? And as the judge digs deeper into their bizarre influencer meets caterer origin...
Maybe about 100,000.
You're making about $100,000 and you send him $200 or so for the baby?
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not about to do this with you. You believe it is okay to only send a couple of $100s to dad for your child, and you actually think that it's okay for your child to be toting along with you to grow your social media influence? Yeah, no, that's not.
$200 a month for a child, while raking in cash from viral parties and online fame. The courtroom is stunned. He catered her event. She called it work. But what they created together is more than content. It's a child who deserves more. The judge is raising eyebrows, and the tension, it's...
Your monthly child support obligation to $1,992. You're going to pay that monthly to dad. Any questions?
No, I don't have any.
Why did you look at him?
Because I was just thinking he's making more money, he's doing more gigs.
That's great, and so are you. And if you make any more money doing more gigs, we can just increase your child support. Anything further?
Nope.
Is there anything further, sir?
No.
Okay, nothing further. You all are dismissed.
The ruling is final. $1,992 a month. No tears, no protests, just a glance at the man raising her child. As she looks on, the judge reminds her more gigs mean more support. This isn't just about numbers, it's about responsibility, about growing up faster than her follower count. The case is closed, but what about her future? Was justice served?